Okay, every single night. And I don't want
Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my channel Serious, and today I gonna tell you about unique self. Unique self is a two-word thing which a person thinks that he is not unique. Some circumstances that happens in his life, for example, is breakup, family problems, and other sort of things. Unique self is something which you have to clear in your mind that unique self is the irreducibly unique expression and perspective of the love, intelligence, and love beauty that initiated and animates all that is that lives in you as you, and though you really waking up to your unique self, growing up into your unique self, showing up as your unique self is a transformation that will shift everything. It is a change that changes everything. There are 7.6 billion people on this planet, and yet there is only one you. There is only one person who thinks the exactly way you think. There is only one person who looks the way you look. There is only one person who possesses things the exact way you do. There is only one person who work out the exact way you do, who chants the way you do, who owns the way you do, who breathes the way you do. When you take a moment to really think about the fact, it is a beautiful way to think of life. You are unique and you are a beautiful, unique person. So many days, people will tell me, I wish I was like my brother. I wish I was like my friend. So I wish I was like my cousin. I wish my lifestyle was like my good friend. I wish I had my stuff together like so and so. Let me tell you one thing, something special. You are absolutely beautiful, amazing, being that you are. You are unique, and it is the time that you embraced it. Your nervousness, your fears, and your insecurities are all uniquely you. The things that are thrive at you that are completely confident doing. You are all uniquely you as well. Core of unique self theory is the mapping of the three distinct stations of self: separate self, true self, and unique self. Though this journey, we realize that the person is not left behind but rather is involved at the station one, that is the separate self. The original personality may well encounter all the vices of the Christianity and the poisons of the Buddhism. It may well be essential as the great tradition teach to transcend the narrow person nature of the self-separate personality to be impartial. True self of the classical enlightenment to merge, but the goal of enlightenment is the personal plus, not the personal minus. The deeper realization of true self is unique self. Nothing in life will ever work out the way it is supposed to work out, not even your health. Maybe some of you have high cholesterol, or you are fighting with blood sugar issues, or you have got a blown disc in your lower back, or your stomach is not long as strong as other people. That's okay because it is uniquely you. And embracing your unique self means embracing everything about your unique self, the good and the bad. It is so easy to talk self love talk, but so many people fail to walk the walk. I live in Los Angeles, the self-love capital of the world. And now that is it is the marketing session terms like the self-love and self-acceptance are being thrown all over the internet like snow coming down in December. But how many of you truly really practice of self-love every single day? How many times a day you actually embrace the unique, amazing, beautiful you? It is funny, a friend of mine was just looking for a car and he loved this red car and he said to me, I don't think I can do it. I asked why not, and he said because I am afraid that woman won't date me because of the red car. I have learned that women don't like red cars. I looked at him and said, how do you feel in that red car? Do you feel unique in that red car? Do you feel sexy in that red car? Do you own that red car when you get into it? Do you feel like it just fit you in so many ways because it is uniquely you? Those are the questions he should be asking because that is what life is all about. So, why would you spend any time fearing what other people think about this unique, amazing person that is you? Every single day, I take a look at my life and I take a look at the journey that I have been on, all the time I have spent on this planet Earth, and I think to myself, all of the billion people in this world, I am uniquely me, and I just want to meet somebody who loves the uniqueness in the me. I am not looking for a soulmate, I am not looking for a unique mate. That's what we are looking for. After all, on this journey called life, you all are looking for a unique mate because you are a unique and beautiful. Think about as you process the beautiful thing called you and embrace the beauty and the truly being the unique person that are you every day. Please subscribe and press the bell
I can
icon for
rock to
more
the limit.
updates. And
Took the
don't
lean, the
forget
family
that
with
you
me.
are important and you are a unique person. Thank you.
Que habla, pero no sabe de qué habla. Para que sepáis de qué habla.
Money, troubles, commas, hoes.